up, good people? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. I want to say thank you for all the subscribers that I've gotten this week. Welcome to the Food Vibes Way family. If you are new to this channel, my name is Monique, and this is Mr Jr Vibez, and we make up the Food Vibes team. Food Vibes teaches cooking classes for all ages and all abilities. On this channel, you're going to see cooking classes, you're going to see vlogs, you're going to see challenges, you're going to see just a little bit of everything food related. Now, today we're going to be making some cheeseburger quesadillas on flatbread and on some fried potatoes. Mr. Jr Vibez, are you ready?
Yeah.
Because I'm ready. Now, let's get into it. So, we put our meat in the pan, and it's cooking, y'all. Just put it in there. It's cooking. All right. And then we got our potatoes on this side. Gotta stir those up. Just put those on as well. We're gonna let them cook a little bit. It's gonna be smelling good, good, good. Because this is what we
Cooking.
This is what we
Cooking.
This is what we
Cooking.
Mr. Jr Vibez is cooking. Mr. Jr Vibez is cooking. Mr. Jr Vibez. Mr. Jr. All right, so now our hamburger meat is done. We've drained it. All that good stuff. Sauteing some onions right now. Mr. Jr Vibez isn't a really big fan of onions, so basically the onions are really just for me. And then we got, what's this?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. What is it?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Red peppers.
They're not red peppers. Tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes.
Tomatoes and some pepper jack cheese. Got our potatoes. So the ball is moving, y'all. Onions are starting to simmer. I just want to get a little color on them. And I'm gonna put a little honey sriracha seasoning on them. Give a little kick.
Hey guys, I'm making my flatbread cheeseburger sandwich. Doesn't it look good? Make sure you like and subscribe and follow. And stay tuned for more Junior Vibez episodes.
Okay, now it's my turn to make my cheeseburger flatbread sandwich. You know, you gotta put your meat, your cheese on there. Make sure you put a lot of cheese. A lot of cheese, good for your soul. If you don't like cheese, I can't hang with you. Look, you gotta put the extra cheese. Then you put your lettuce, your shredded lettuce. Then you put your tomatoes. Then we got a little onion coming. Got a little onion, okay. And then we gonna put our little sauce on here in a second. Yep. Put that little sauce on there. And don't forget, you gotta add some of that pepper jack cheese on there, y'all. Cheese is delicious because you want it to make it melt. You want it to be so good and delicious and just look at me. I'm just overdoing it. More cheese, and more cheese. Oh, look, y'all. You can't tell me that ain't slapping. Looks so good, so delicious. What? And there you have it. We have finished making our delicious potatoes and the quesadilla, flatbread, cheeseburger, however you choose to call it, y'all. It looks so good. We're going to get Mr. Jr Vibez to test it out. Go ahead, bite into it. His loaded flatbread. Oh, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it was some cheese pulling. So good, so delicious. I cannot wait to eat mine. Got my potatoes. Mine is cooking. How is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
And you are on. This is what we cooking. Mr Jr Vibez, his first segment of the year. We made cheeseburger flatbread sandwiches with some fried potatoes. So good, make you want to slap your mama. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. With that being said, we hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? We see you guys next time on This Is What We Cooking. Make sure you follow me on Instagram @_foodvibesway. Peace.